Good morning, students. Today we have reached to the last part of this chapter, construction of angles. In our previous video, we have seen how to construct angles using protractor as well as rounder. But I have told you have to draw with the protractor only. The explanation with the rounder is just for your information, and you can say it will be used in your further classes, in your higher classes. So you have to use the protractor, scale and pencil for drawing the angles of different meshes. So let's start doing. Already 5 we have done. 5 construction of angles we have done. That was 30, 45, 50, 60 and 90. So those you are supposed to draw with the protractor. Now we'll start today with the 6th construction, that is 130 degree, by using this scale, protractor and pencil. So first what you have to do, you have to draw one line segment of any length. Suppose I am drawing this line segment from 0 to 6, that is 6 centimeter. Name it as A and B. This is what the end point A, and this is the end point B. Now what you have to do, you have to pick up your protractor, and as you can see in the protractor, 2 markings are there. Inner one from 0 moving to 180, and the outer one which is in reverse order, from 180 it is going to 0. So don't be confused, you have to use the inner marking always, from 0 to 180. Outer marking are used when you are drawing the construction or drawing the angle on left hand side. But for our convenience, we are always drawing on the right hand side. That's why we have to use the inner marking. Now, as you can see in the protractor, here one small dot is there, circle is there, or in the other protractors here one center line is there. So you have to put that dot or center line on one of your end point, that is A, like this, as you can see here, and then you have to start counting. Here it is 130 degree, so look for the from 0 inner side go up to 130, not for this outside, don't count this one, just see in inner one, 0 to 130. Here it is, can you see this one? Here it is 130. So in front of it is 50, there you have to mark it down as 130 degree. From here I have moved to this side. Okay, so from 0 to 130 I have marked down. Now you have to remove your protractor, and with the help of your scale you just have to join these dots of one end point and this the another one which you have made just now. So join it with the help of pencil and scale. So this is your angle 130 degree. Here you can name it as the point C. So CAB is the required angle. Now what you can say about this angle, which type of angle it is? It is an obtuse angle. means the measurement is more than 90. That's why it is known as obtuse angle. So downward you will write obtuse angle. This much only you have to do in these questions, or we can say in this exercise. No other sum is there, so you have to do like this only. Okay, don't draw this. This is just for your explanation, which I have drawn from where you have to move and reach up to there. Okay. Now the seventh one is 75 degree. You have to make an angle of 75 degree. So again we will take an help of the scale and draw one line segment. Suppose it is of 5 centimeter and the endpoints are P and Q. Now next step is take your protractor and put this dot on one of your endpoint. So I have kept it. Now I have to move from this 0 up to 75. This is 70 and this next one is 80. 70, 80. So the in between marking is of 75. So as you can see it in front, above 70 it is 110, above 80 it is 100. So in between these two, one long marking is there, which is representing the between sign. So this is your 75 degree. Here you have to mark it 75 degree. Then remove the protractor with the help of scale. Join these dots this way. Now suppose this is R and this your angle is 75 degree. This way you have to draw. And now which type of angle this is? It is an acute angle. Acute angle means the angle which have measure less than 90 degree. 75 is less than 90, that's why it is an acute angle. Now 145 degree. Again take your scale, draw one line segment of any measurement. It is not so that you have to use that much only which I am drawing. You can use any measurement. Again I have drawn for 6 centimeters. Suppose this is S E. Now 145 degree. I will draw. Take your protractor and put this dot on one of your end point like this, and then start looking for the 145 degree where it is. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 100, 130, 140. It is here. 140 is here. 150 is here. So in between number of 140 and 150 is 145. So here you can see 40, 30. So in between number is 35 and here it will be 145. So this longer marking you can see it very clearly. So this is your 145 degree. Now remove your protractor and join these dots. Suppose this is R. This is the angle called 145 degree and the type of angle is obtuse angle again. Children, why I have shown these construction on the paper by drawing by myself, because this is little bit complicated one where you have to go for the in between numbers. These are not whole numbers or approximate numbers which are having zeros or that you can find easily on this protector. So in between numbers you have to search it out by seeing these markings. You can see this in between markings are there. So in between marking shows the 0.5, or we can say 5 units together. So these are there, and accordingly you can see. Now see, here it is 40 and this one is 40 and this one is 50. So suppose I want 45. So between 40 and 50, this the longer line is this one. So this is your 45 degree. You can also mark 42, 43 degree. Like you can see here, this is 40. So in front of this is the longer one. After that you have to start counting each marking as 1, 2, 3. So this is 41, 42, 43, 44 and this longer one is 45. So this way you have to go and count the numbers. But always remember, you have to look for this inner marking only and do the construction accordingly. I hope the construction is clear to you. And now I am giving you two sums for your practice. That is 115 degree and 155 degrees. These two are the practice questions for you. So practice it well into your practice book and try to do the accurate construction. If you need help of your elders, of your siblings, please do so and correct yourself. Thank you.